I've been in companies that the leader, they don't even say good morning to you. And I said, when I become a leader, I'm gonna make sure that every single person that crossed my path, I acknowledge them and I say good morning to them.
When we're down on the floor, it's never sir or miss. It's like, hey Joe G, hey JC, hey T. Yeah. No one's a number. I think that's the great part about it.
Absolutely. I'm a mom, so yes, our mom will be everybody. When we come in, we have our stand up with the team members. So, hey, what's going on? Tell them about safety, something good that happened, something that we need to work on.
Everyone is making sure that that customer promise is delivered upon. Quality of the product, making sure that everything goes into the box and that it arrives to the customer on time.
We also have our town halls to ensure that everyone's voice is heard, because we cannot grow as a business and as a culture without that feedback.
I just kept learning, and I became a lead. I want to continue to pass that knowledge along so everybody can grow together.
You are gonna feel included, you're gonna feel valued, you're gonna feel like you're part of something. Our employees are really our secret sauce.